Welcome back, everybody. Another beautiful March day. Just heading home from work. Last week I was heading this way and came across a new road. It's not very long, but it's a nice little road to ride on. So we're gonna see if we can find it going home today. After I get home, I'm going to I should have enough time. We're gonna get the Spyder up in the air and pull the front wheels off of it and put new front pads on it. I ordered some EBCs a couple weeks ago when the wife was in Louisiana. Starting to hear a little chirping. It sounds like it's coming out of the front. So today we'll do the front ones. And then later next week we'll do the rear. It's extremely windy today. It's on my right side coming across me. So every once in a while it grabs the old helmet. So if this is a little jerky, that's why. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too awful bad. Once I find this road, the wind will be on my back, so it won't quite be so bad. But it's close to 60 degrees today. Once again, riding with my fingerless gloves. It is amazing how stout this wind is. Spyder does a really good job in the wind. Have more of an issue with my helmet than anything else. I've been traveling the same road for over 20 years, so it's nice to get out and see if we can find a new way home. So I left early last week sometime by 10-15 minutes, and just happened to stumble across this road. And it's gonna actually take me right back to where I same road that I came off of to get here. So it's not too far out of the way. But definitely, if you like twisties, this is definitely a keeper. All right. Tons of debris in the road. Like I said, it's a little windy today. And there we go. I can shoot down to Amanda Northern here. But I'll just keep going this way and see where we go. Yeah, this video is going to be fairly short, and then when I get home, I don't know if I'll pick up where I left off or if I'll just start a new one. 22,600 miles on the brakes on this. I do ride pretty aggressive, so I don't think that's not too bad. I haven't ridden a lot of 2-up. You know what? I don't think I've been down this way before. So, we just might have found a new way. A little bit more different than what I thought. Yeah, I do believe last time I must have taken Amanda Northern over the Lithopolis Road and back down into Lancaster. But we'll see where this goes. I should have enough gas. Yep, back to Amanda Northern. Yeah, you can't beat these country roads. I just wish it wasn't so windy, but you know, that's out of my control. There we go, the village of Greencastle. there we go. So 60 degrees in March, Central Ohio. Pretty uncommon, but I'm gonna take it this year. So with that, I'll say goodbye to everybody, and I'll come back on once I get home and get something to eat, get this thing up in the air, get the wheels off of it, and we'll change out some brake pads. So everybody have a great day.